Well, just a little update here, a heads up actually. Um, this is the first video I've made with this little fancy camera, and I'm searching for my words here. I did a lot of editing, even though there still is a few places that I should have done more, but I figured I'd give it to you as it really is, and I hope you enjoy it. We've found quite a few things. Okay, maybe I should point this at me instead of a dog. Okay, it's sunny. Alright, I went out with my friend Jimmy, who's mentally handicapped, or sometimes I say retarded. It's not to be insulting, but the French part of me, that's what we say in French. It's the proper term, meaning like tardy, like, you know, behind and stuff, or slow. That's all it means. It's not to be insulting to him at all. Anyway, so this video is about curbside finds, and I even go rooting through people's garbage cans at times. So, I had quite a bit of fun with it. I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, back to the dog. Alright, Woofy, you want some of my pie? See? I don't know if it's cherry or what, but it tastes darn good. What he wants is that darn bone. I'm not going to turn the camera anymore. I'm sitting on my back porch with nothing on, because that's how frickin' hot it is lately. Now I believe in global warming, or the proper way now is climate change. I'm old school, we still say global warming. Although in the winter time, when, here I'll turn it back to me. In the winter when we get the really cold spells, and they came up with this new term a couple years ago, the polar vortex. Wow, what the heck? And well, when those days are here, I'm like, okay, where the F is that global warming I keep hearing about? You know, it's just so freaking cold. I mean, I know when I was a kid we had cold days, but they never came up with this polar vortex crap. Just like, a bit off subject here. There's so many kids today with ADHD and all kinds of shit. I don't know where all this crap is coming from. I think it has to do with all the preservatives they put in our food. And the big companies don't want to admit it, but somebody should start a class action lawsuit. Because it's really sad, you know, so many people with ADHD and so on and so forth. It's like, no matter what's wrong with you, you got something. You know, when I was a young adult, no. You go to work and you do your job and you come home tired and you bitch and complain and that's it. The young adults of today, no. Oh, I can't work full time, I got this, I got that. Bullshit. You need a good kick in the butt. And, you know, get your act together. We all have something, so come on, give me a break. This younger generation, they're so damn lazy. It's like they want everything given to them. It just bugs the piss out of me. This is so good. Yeah, I think it is cherry. I'm cheating because I'm diabetic. Like, I don't drink soda pop or nothing like that. I don't even put a little bit of sugar in my coffee at all. I drink water. I have a bit of juice, well, 100% pure juice, not that water and sugar crap, but I have juice when I take my pills 3 or 4 times a day. actually. I don't even know how to eat. Okay, I better give that to the dog. I think he heard me say dog. Wolfie, would you rather chew on this? You want some pie? Come here. Come on. Come and get it. But you don't get the little piece. Little piece is mine. Yeah. Well, finger licking good. You know, the other day I was on Messenger typing to somebody a comment, and instead of saying because, I just wrote cuz with C-U-Z. And believe it or not, this person actually had the nerve to, just out of the blue correct me. I'm like, excuse me? That is so lame. The English language is so messed up. There's nothing proper in the English language. There's no real rules to follow. So correcting me on that is really stupid. I forget where I was going with this, because I know I had something I wanted to say about it. It'll come back to me another time. But see, that's ever since I had that stroke, my mind is, I keep forgetting shit. Whether, I don't know if people know this, but when you have a stroke, it's a blood clot to the brain instead of the heart, so it's not a heart attack, it's a stroke. It affects the brain, and believe it or not, whatever area of the brain that clot hits, well, that part of the brain actually dies because it has no oxygen. And so then, some people, if it's the part that, controls speech, they have to totally learn how to speak again. Some people have to learn how to walk again. And I was lucky, though. I had what they call a mild stroke. I was paralyzed on the left side, and for about 3 days, couldn't walk. My face was drooping, couldn't move my arms. And now, about 5 years later, this happened it's actually going on 6 years. It happened in 2013. I'd just taken possession of this home of mine, and fell flat on my face as I was cleaning up the yard. So, ever since then, I've been, very forgetful, have trouble remembering things, which is very forgetful. I know I just said that. It's so redundant. And it's upsetting to me because I used to pride myself on being quite a smart guy, especially since I was never really formally educated. So I just get by. Sorry if this camera's in a weird position. Anyway, I better stop this for now. So, hope you enjoy the video. This is really long. Okay, bye guys. Hey, so far we picked up a few things here. Now we got a chair. Nice and ripped too. Oops. It's heavier than I thought it would be. Sorry about that. How does this look? Yeah. Alright. Damn. I'm not used to having that thing on my head. I banged the chair on it trying to pick it up. Noisy car, eh? It's electric. So, what's in this one? Well, I think I see something. Nope. Somebody took apart a water machine and it's all plastic. Ah, well.
You're good to climb the roof?
Yeah. Why?
Somebody painting the roof.
I ain't gonna climb your roof. From the street I could see how rotten it is. There's planks that need to be replaced. You can't just paint a piece of shit. You gotta fix it. Anybody climbs up there could go right through and kill themselves. And I don't think you have insurance. So why don't you climb it?
I can't climb.
Well then, you better learn. You know, climbing isn't hard when you're not lazy. Well, what do we have here? Thought I heard him calling me. I have to make a little bit of room. Okay, let's see if I can get this up. Well, that's a bit of a mess. Sorry about that. Oops. There we go. I felt it hit the camera. I'll get that guy in here, lean it up. Well, I like the way that was done. I think this is the kind that got 4 wheels. Yep. And it's got the electric motor thing. I wonder why it don't stay shut. Thought they had magnets.
This is fun. Not able to move it. Oh, maybe this way. Because my retarded friend is pissing me off today. Doesn't want to help. Keeps lying to me. I'm really getting pissed off. I think this is the last time I'm ever going to bring him with me. I'm not going to be able this way. Try like this again. Stupid fucking door. I guess I'm going to have a lot of editing to do. Okay, I'm going to strap that thing on. Found that up there. I think I better do it from over here. Or maybe I could push him forward, yeah. Okay, so I'll do it from here. And go around like that. See how well that goes. Hard to do when you're alone. See if this will work. I'll have to go in and out a few times. stopping it. Oh, that thing. Whatever it is. Now, is that going to come up? It's going to get stuck right there, I'm sure. I think it'll work. Goddamn junk. This guy, I might be able to stick over there. Where's that piece? Not what I wanted. Never is. Things are never as easy as I'd like them to be. Oui, monsieur. Merci beaucoup, là. Merci. Bonne journée, là. That was nice. Aluminum coffee pot. I'm wondering if the wire was there. Gave me the pot without the wire. Let's investigate. Nope, don't see it. Oh, here's another heavy piece. that metal? Nope. I wonder if it'll fit. It's not that heavy. I thought it was worse. Is that 10? Yeah. Alright. That wasn't too bad. We're getting there. Maybe I should fix that a bit. How does that look? A lot better. All right. Didn't weigh as much as I thought it would. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Oh no. I'm gonna have fun editing all this. Be right back. Oh, this is fun. Just came upon this. Is it wrought iron? No, probably just tin. Yeah, it's tin. Well, I'll take it anyway. Take my magnet. Well, this didn't start out good. I keep banging the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Now it's stuck. I'm gonna have to climb up there. Okay, here we are. There, that looks pretty good. Now, let's get down from here. When I climb up there, I'm always a bit shaky. And not from fear of heights, from fear of getting hurt. Alright, now, let's see what else is out there. I think I figured it out. Nope. I wonder what that is. Oh, looks like it's an umbrella. They were nice enough to remove the cloth. Oh well, only wood in there. I'll take that. I think it's aluminum. One way to check. Nope, that's not aluminum. I was stopped at Timmy's to get a frozen lemonade, and the guy pulled up next to me. He wanted the thermometer off of that barbecue there, so I told him, sure, take it off. Well, that's it for now. Turn that off again. Did I get it? So, what do we have? Well, that's metal. I'll take it. I don't think I want the painting, even though it is pretty. Well, that's metal. More metal. And again, oh, brass. Holy crap. What is this? I see wires underneath. Running shoes. No, it's not the good wire. Oh well. Again, coax and a painting. Let's see what it is. I hope this thing is aimed right. Greg Hastings. I don't know. Let's see the painting. Oh, some kid's art. Wrong kind of wire again. That's interesting. I think it's one of those USB lights. Yeah, that's what that is. Sorry, I keep hitting that. And a whole bunch of CDs or DVDs. They don't even look like they were written on. Here's another big pack. Okay, well, that's coming with me. Be right back. sure I don't get run over. Is this bag any good? It's pretty clean. I'll take that. I don't want the other ones, but I'll take that one. What's this thing? Ooh, okay. Those are worth money. African tribal masks. And what's this thing? Oh, I think it's to hold a guitar. I'll take that too. And underneath, nothing. Whole bunch of nothing. Alright, so that was worth stopping for. See if I got this right. Again, it don't want to turn. Okay. Now it's on. But how is it sitting? I think it's pretty good. From far, when I see these big rocks, I keep thinking there's something up there, just to realize it's just a rock. They built that place pretty fast, eh? Remember when it was just a hole? They've been at it for about a month and it's already almost done. I wonder if we're going to find something in here. This is the, well, it's not a campground, but it's like a trailer park.
Barney Father say, the guy, you speak Dutch? The Dutch?
Just watch what you're saying. I'm making a video here.
Henry speak Dutch.
All German people speak Dutch. That's the name of their language.
Carol will speak Dutch.
Well, she's not German.
She's born in Quebec.
Right.
Henry born overseas. His wife.
So, where's all my scrap?
Maybe Carol to give you all the scrap you want, and you won't get no sex. Choice, scrap or sex.
Well, I've seen what she looks like. I'd rather the scrap.
That fucking bastard. She took
Hey,
it.
I told you, watch your language. I'm making a video. Because every time you cuss, I gotta take the time at home to edit that out. And I don't want to spend hours on my computer because you keep cussing.
And flowers only grow this summer. They die, they grow back next year.
Well, yeah. Those are annuals. Or I forget the name. Perennials? One of those two, anyway.
Let's smell them.
Well, so far, not very lucky here. That's pretty. I'm wondering how good this looks on camera. I'll find out when I get home, I guess. Now my daughter wants me to build her a shed so she can put her scrap in. Isn't that beautiful out there? That's Lake Champlain. I see a wooden chair. But
but that's it. Do you want that? People swimming down there. Oh, what's all this? Isn't this the same place? Yeah, it is. They got a whole bunch more. What?
TV was here last week.
Yeah, but they added stuff. Let me go investigate. Get my gloves, get my cutters, because you never know. Here we go. Yeah, this was all here last week. I wonder what this is. Well, that's the front of that. Not a heck of a lot. Somebody already grabbed the wire. Oh well. No metal, and somebody already grabbed the wire on it.
You took the wire last week.
I didn't take it.
No?
No, I wanted to, but they kept talking and going on and on about how it works, and I didn't want them to yell at me, so because they were still standing around, I just walked away and didn't take it. Oh well. I'm not going to cry for one wire. Ooh, she's pretty.
There's no pennies in that there.
That's a beautiful house. They just repaved all this.
You have to pay enough freaking taxes.
Yeah. More speed bumps.
Watch Green Acre last week?
Nope.
So we missing Coomer File on the show, Green Acre. What the fuck do we give a shit?
Hey, watch your language, I said. Where is he going? I should steal that trailer. Now we'll be coming up to that place where I got the trailer, the camper I mean. The guy that left me a message that he's got all kinds of metal. I just hope he didn't put it right by the road, because then anybody can get it. If he left it in the yard for me, that would be great. Yeah, when I grabbed the camper from there, I came straight to Adams and I borrowed their air hose to fill up the tires so I could take it to Raymond's place. It was very nice of them. They let me fill up the tires with air and they gave me a bolt to lock the hitch. So I gave the guy a $5 tip. Then I told Raymond he owed me $5 right here. Anything down this road? I don't know why, but I'm so thirsty tonight. And my bottle of water is getting warm. Grandma and Grandpa.
So you out for supper tonight?
I have no idea.
I'm going to throw some french fry in the oven, get that. Big french fry?
Okay, I'll go to Forest right away. And then I'll come down the other ones. Right here. Damn. Is that all that's left? I'll get out and look around. I can't believe they called me for that. If you left it on the side of the road, someone else took it. Get my gloves. Yep, somebody grabbed it. Not a heck of a lot left. That's metal. That's metal. Why did that thing go off? I guess the battery's dead. Okay.
That was very small, huh?
Now it's recording. But there's no light to tell me it's recording. Nope. So I have no way of telling. That's weird. I thought there'd be an indicator light on it.